Hi. Hey guys, my name is Alex Jackson and I am selling a 1998 Toyota Hiace Super GL. Alright, there it is. 1998 Toyota Hiace Super GL. Since I purchased the van, I've done a lot to it. As you can see, pretty updated paint. Fixed all the rust that it had. Added a lot of things, so I'll kind of go through that. So I put on some BF Goodrich KO2s. I think it's a 28-inch tire roughly. A little bit bigger than stock. Just, you know, adds a little bit of traction. It's a really good tire. I've never lost traction in the van, which is great. There is an ARB awning. And let me say that everything you see on the van here comes with the van. There's nothing I'm taking off. So you get the whole meal deal, the whole package. Additional lights on the side for when you're trying to find a campsite in the dark. Also a light bar on the back, which is really great for backing up at night. Solar shower, really simple design, just pressurize up here and let her go right there. Ooh, there's still water in there. There's a hose inside the van that will come with it. And then if you look up top, there is a 100-watt solar panel which routes down through here and then charges the two deep cycle batteries contained underneath the refrigerator. The back lift struts here, I just had them rebuilt, so the tailgate opens really nice. There you go. Lifts up all by itself, stays up, so you won't have to replace those struts anytime soon. As you can see, there's supposed to be this up here. So there's the bed, two back drawers for storage. Just made it kind of plain and simple, no sliders or anything like that. You know, just nothing to fix if it breaks down. This is great for clothing storage. You can access this storage from inside the van. Yep, little extra storage over there. Storage compartments here. Yeah, it's pretty well lit there. There's the interior. I'll turn on some lights so you can see a bit better here. Whoop. So, I gutted the entire van and built in a new interior. As you can see, really homey. I lived out of this thing for 3 months. It was fantastic. I loved it. I'm just gonna open up here. I've got a pull-out kitchen. Comes with a stove. You can put a propane canister down here, and then just, you know, there you go. You got your stove, your kitchen. You got food storage right here. You can access that through this little hatch right here when the kitchen is stowed. You can also cook inside if you like. There you go. And then when you want to store the kitchen, you just, oh, it's locked. Also added, very important detail. Van comes with a 50-quart ARB fridge. As you can see, got some food storage down there. Does not come with food, unfortunately. Down here, oh, that's a little bit sticky. You have to fix that door. But down here in this hatch, there's two Optima yellow top deep cycle batteries. In this little compartment here, we have your 1000 watt pure sine inverter, and then fuse panel with 15 amp breakers. There's two more breakers in here, and also a what do you call the breaker for the inverter in here. This is actually where the water storage is. I have a 20-liter jerry can that goes in there. I did leave the rear heater just in case you want to heat it up back here while you're driving. Right here we have a fold down desk. We always put our coffee in there, and there's a little table for you to put your laptop on and do some work. Little storage cubbies inside there. Put this up. Little shelf up here, which makes good for storing little knickknacks. There is the couch / bed, and I'll show you how to take it down. Now we simply lift this. There you go. Nice 6.5 foot by 4 bed. There are supports under here. That's you simply go like this. There you go. There's 2 of those. That supports the end of the bed. What I often do if it's raining outside is I put out the bed and just sit here and then cook here. Makes it, you know, dry cooking, which is nice. Bunch of storage cubbies over at the end there. Good for clothing or whatever you want to put there. Got a fantastic fan for exhaust. Little control panel here, which shows your battery health. I need to charge the batteries. It's been sitting inside the shop, so there's no solar charging. Another little fuse panel in there, just for the lights, in case something goes wrong. So, fuse panel there. So that's pretty much the interior. We'll go back here, up here, front. This is the front. As you can see, it is a right-hand drive. This is not hard to get used to, especially considering it's an automatic. It only takes a few days to get used to, really. This van was used as a kind of industrial pipe delivery van, so the interior is a little bit beat up. There's not a whole lot I can do about this stuff. It doesn't look pretty, but it's a functional van. It works. It goes. It'll be a great time for you. Engine is underneath here. Got some center console storage and stuff. So yeah, I think that pretty well covers the van. One thing I did do, which is kind of cool, I put like a little deck up here, so if you want to hang out or store stuff, you're pretty much good to go. So that is my 1998 Toyota Hiace. And before we go, I'm gonna start it up for you so you can hear what the motor sounds like. Okay. Wait for it to warm up. The light goes off and presto! This van runs like a top. No smoke. Only at elevation because it's naturally aspirated, no turbo. This is not a fast van, but it will go and go and go and go. And switch on some lights. And side mounted lights. Front light bar. Yes! Hope you enjoyed my video. Hope this helps you figure out whether or not you want to buy it. Haha. Okay, bye.